Welcome to Income Nook. Learn about income saving and earning. Thanks for visiting. Ever wondered why you should have a credit card? It's a question that's crossed the minds of many. Credit cards, once seen as a luxury, have become a necessity in today's fast-paced digital world. Their importance goes beyond mere convenience. They are a versatile financial tool with a range of benefits that can enhance your financial health and security. In this video, we'll delve into the 8 compelling reasons why having a credit card is beneficial. We'll explore how they can help you build a credit history, offer fraud protection, provide an easier resolution to issues, and even present opportunities for you to take advantage of bonus offers. We'll also discuss how they can aid in consolidating debt, making online purchases easier, assisting in budgeting, and serving as an emergency backup. So, let's explore the reasons why having a credit card is beneficial. First up, a credit card helps build your credit history. Now you might be wondering, what's so significant about credit history? Well, it's like your financial report card. It tells potential lenders, landlords, even employers how responsible you've been with your money. The better your credit history, the more likely you are to secure that loan, get that dream apartment, or land that job. And guess what? Using a credit card responsibly is one of the easiest ways to build a good credit history. Think of it as a financial stepping stone. Starting with something as simple as a secured credit card, you can gradually prove your creditworthiness. Each on-time payment, each wise spending decision, each moment of restraint against overspending contributes to a healthier credit history. And the benefits don't stop there. A solid credit history could open doors to better interest rates, higher credit limits, and more attractive loan terms in the future. So, having a credit card can set you up for financial success. Secondly, credit cards offer better fraud protection. Now you may be wondering, how do they do this? Well, it's quite simple. Credit cards have a built-in safety feature that debit cards often lack. When you use a credit card, you're essentially borrowing money from the credit card company. If a fraudster gets their hands on your card information, they're spending the bank's money, not yours. This gives you time to detect, report, and resolve the fraud without losing any of your own hard-earned cash. And in most cases, the law limits your fraud liability to $50. But many credit card companies go a step further, offering zero liability policies. This means that if your card is used fraudulently, you won't be on the hook for any of the charges. In contrast, if your debit card information is stolen, the thief has direct access to your bank account. That's your money disappearing, and it can take time to get it back, if you can at all. The protections offered by credit cards provide an essential safety net when shopping, particularly online, where the risk of fraud is higher. This safety net makes credit cards a smart choice. Thirdly, resolving issues is easier with credit cards. Ever been in a situation where you've disputed a charge and felt like you were pulling teeth to get it resolved? Well, with credit cards, the process is much smoother. Most card companies have established efficient processes for handling disputes. They often temporarily remove the disputed charge from your account until the issue is resolved. So if you're dealing with unauthorized charges, billing errors, or unsatisfactory goods or services, you have a strong ally in your credit card company. This means less stress and more peace of mind for you. Next, credit cards often come with bonus offers. Now, who doesn't like a bonus? With credit cards, the world of bonuses, rewards, and cashback opportunities is at your fingertips. Just by doing your regular shopping, you can rack up points which can later be redeemed for airfare, hotel stays, gift cards, and much more. Additionally, many credit cards offer sign-up bonuses. For instance, if you spend a certain amount within the first few months of opening your account, you might get a hefty chunk of bonus points or even cash back. Let's not forget about cash back. Yes, you heard it right. Some credit cards offer cash back on your purchases. This can range from 1% to as high as 5%, depending on the card and the type of purchase. That's like getting a discount on every purchase you make. But remember, these benefits only make sense if you pay off your balance every month. If you carry a balance, the interest you'll pay could easily wipe out any rewards you've earned. So use your card wisely and reap the rewards. So, a credit card can also be a source of savings. Another reason is that credit cards can help consolidate debt. Let's unpack that a bit. So, you may have several debts, maybe a student loan, a car loan, and a few other personal loans. Each of these debts likely has different interest rates and due dates, making it a bit of a juggling act to manage them all. Now, here's where a credit card comes into play. Some credit cards offer balance transfer deals with low or even zero interest rates for a certain period. This allows you to move your various debts onto one card. The result? You're left with just one payment to manage each month, potentially at a lower interest rate. It simplifies your finances and could save you a significant amount of money in the long run, but remember, this strategy requires discipline. You must be diligent about paying off the balance before the promotional period ends. Otherwise, you could end up paying more in interest. A credit card can thus be a tool for efficient debt management. Credit cards are also great for online purchases. Now you might be wondering why. Well, let's dive into that. Firstly, credit cards offer an added layer of protection between your hard-earned money and potential fraudsters out there on the internet. If your card information is compromised, you can report it, and your liability for fraudulent charges is typically limited. This is not always the case with other payment methods like debit cards, where your entire bank balance could be at risk. In addition, credit cards often come with rewards programs that can make your online shopping even more beneficial. You could earn points, miles, or cash back on every purchase, making your money work harder for you. Furthermore, many credit cards provide extended warranty protection on the items you buy, adding value to your purchases. They also allow you to dispute charges for goods or services that weren't delivered as promised. To sum it up, for online purchases, credit cards offer more protection, convenience, and value. So for online shopping, a credit card is your best bet. Credit cards can also aid in budgeting. Think of them as a tool, a financial mirror reflecting your spending habits. Each swipe, each transaction is recorded, giving you a clear month-to-month snapshot of where your money goes. This record can be an eye-opener, highlighting areas where you may be overspending and where you can cut back. It's like having a personal financial consultant constantly keeping you in check. With this knowledge, you can craft a more informed, effective budget. This can help you stay on top of your finances. Finally, a credit card can serve as an emergency backup. Life is unpredictable, and sometimes unexpected expenses can pop up out of the blue. Maybe it's a sudden car repair, a medical emergency, or an unexpected home repair. When these situations arise, having a credit card can be a real lifesaver. It's like having a safety net that can help you manage these unforeseen costs without disrupting your financial stability. However, it's crucial to remember that this isn't an invitation to spend recklessly. It's a buffer to tide you over until you can make arrangements to pay it back. Like any tool, the effectiveness of a credit card as an emergency backup depends on how responsibly you use it. So, a credit card can provide much-needed peace of mind. So there you have it, 8 compelling reasons to have a credit card. Let's quickly recap. A credit card helps you build your credit history, providing a foundation for your financial future. It offers you protection against fraud, a safety net that is often missing with other payment methods. With a credit card, you can resolve issues more easily, especially when dealing with disputed charges. Then there's the opportunity to benefit from bonus offers, gaining rewards for your spending habits. A credit card can also assist you in consolidating debt, making it easier to manage your finances. You can use it for online purchases, adding a layer of protection and convenience to your transactions. It's a great tool for budgeting too, helping you track your spending and manage your money. And lastly, a credit card can serve as an emergency backup, providing an additional line of defense in difficult times. As you can see, a credit card isn't just a convenience, it's a powerful financial tool. If you enjoyed the video, please click subscribe, like the video, or click the bell to get new videos. Income Nook deals with investing, income earning and saving, and more related subjects. Thanks for visiting.